once you start the tracker watch, it will show the analog clock. It will show the current time, so it will help the user to know the time. And when we press the red button, it will display the temperature, the pressure, and the altitude of the current position. It will help the user to know the weather change, or help the user to compare their previous performance, previous string performance. And if you press the third button, it will display a compass, which can help the user to find to know their direction. So this is the you can see that our compass have a good agreement with the compass in the phone. So it shows that it is working quite well. So our checking watch can display the current altitude and temperature of the position. Both of these are important information for the hikers, such as the temperature can help the altitude information can help the hiker to compare their improvement with the previous hiking experience, and the pressure information can help the hiker to predict the weather change. So this will help them a lot. And also you can show the compass, so it will help the hiker to find their way out when they are lost. So the first problem we encountered during this project is that the sample code of the temperature and pressure sensor does not work. At the end, we find that it is because the sample code from the manufacturer has some error inside the code. So it shows that even code from the manufacturer cannot be trusted. And the second problem we encountered is similar to the first one. But the only difference is that the error occurs in the circuit configuration, the recommended circuit configuration in the data sheet instead of the sample code. The third difficulty encountered is that the LCD screen the LCD screen is decided to be programmed using the Arduino IDE. So, but however, all the programming of the program of other sensors are programmed in C program. So the combination of different codes come a while. At first, we try to convert find a C program for the LCD screen. But at the end, we do the other way. We transfer all the C program into Arduino and do all the programming in the Arduino IDE. So in this project, in this competition, we learned a lot of new electronic knowledge. So, but before this competition, when you talk about inter-IC communication, we only know about UART and SPI. But after this competition, because one of the modules uses I2C protocol, so we learned how to use I2C for the inter-IC communication. Also, we learned some mathematical concepts such as the Euler angle. So it shows that actually engineering involves a lot of maths, and it does help us to do the design if you have a good mathematical background. And also we learned how to some solder how to do the soldering of some of the module. Yeah. And during the process, we noticed for some module we had we have the QFN package cannot be soldered just by using human soldering or using the furnace. So it's a very valuable experience to us all.
So I really encourage students to participate in this competition in maybe next year, because it's really a good chance to improve ourselves. Like what Wilson said, we have this competition and we learn about I2C, and we learn about what the sensor is, what line DOF, and how to calculate how to use this module. And this brings us a lot of knowledge. And we have a great company that sponsors us, so we have a lot of resources to use, and it makes our project more convenient. And also we have so many backup and helps from the teachers, so we actually do learn a lot from this competition. So we don't usually have this chance to really make something like products in the lectures. So this competition really gains us a lot.
Time management and group planning are very important in doing this project. And I will suggest students to seeking help if you stuck in a problem too long. Because if you don't seeking help, you may not able to solve the problem finally, or you will very easy to have cannot finish the problem before the deadline. Just like in our case, because we didn't seek the help in a appropriate time, so we can finish it. So I always encourage or suggest the student in the next year to seek help earlier and have a good planning and time management.